Is Pocket Option legit? Pocket Option, a popular online trading platform, has garnered significant attention and controversy in recent years. While it offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of trading instruments, numerous allegations of fraudulent activities and regulatory concerns have surfaced, casting doubt on its legitimacy. One shocking statistic is the high percentage of traders who lose money on Pocket Option. Many users report experiencing significant losses, often within a short period. Additionally, there have been numerous complaints about the platform's withdrawal policies, with some traders claiming difficulties in withdrawing their funds. These allegations raise serious questions about the platform's transparency and trustworthiness. While Pocket Option boasts a user-friendly interface and a wide range of trading instruments, it is crucial to consider the potential risks involved. The platform's lack of regulation and the numerous allegations of fraud raise significant concerns for investors. One of the major advantages of Pocket Option is its accessibility. The platform is available to traders from various countries and offers a relatively low minimum deposit requirement. This accessibility can be appealing to those who are new to trading or have limited funds to invest. Additionally, Pocket Option provides a demo account, allowing users to practice trading without risking real money. However, the lack of regulation poses a significant disadvantage. Without oversight from a reputable regulatory body, there is no guarantee that the platform is operating fairly or that traders' funds are safe. Additionally, the platform's high-risk nature can lead to substantial losses for inexperienced traders. Another concern is the platform's marketing tactics. Pocket Option often employs aggressive marketing strategies, including celebrity endorsements and promises of quick profits. These tactics can be misleading and can entice inexperienced traders into making risky investments. Furthermore, there have been allegations of manipulation and unfair trading practices. Some traders have reported instances where the platform's prices seem to move against them, making it difficult to profit. While these allegations are difficult to prove, they raise concerns about the platform's integrity. In conclusion, Pocket Option is a controversial online trading platform that has faced numerous allegations of fraud and regulatory concerns. While it offers certain advantages, such as accessibility and a demo account, the risks associated with the platform are significant. Investors should exercise caution and thoroughly research other options before deciding to trade on Pocket Option.